Welcome back, guys. Now we'll be talking about the cut, copy, paste special and clear function on Google Spreadsheet. So this is how these functions work. Let's say you have a group of items you want to work with on your sheet. So I want to select this item. For me to see the options I just mentioned now, after selecting an item, just click on it once and it will bring out these functions. Then you can select the one you want to do. So let's take it one after the other. The first one we have on the list is cut. And what this cut does is when you click on cut, then you can easily come to another place like here and paste it here, clicking on paste. So what this does is it will move the items you have here. It will move it entirely from this place to the place you choose to paste it. So by doing this, I have explained what the paste function also does. So now the next thing we have here is copy. So copying this, and you can still paste here again. So copying this will just make a new copy. It will not clean the previous one. It will keep the previous one and give you a new copy of what you have. So that is that about the cut and copy function. And for the paste, just like I've showed you here, whatever you cut or whatever you copy, you can easily click on paste to paste it wherever you choose. Then the next thing we have here is the paste special. But before we talk about this, I want us to talk about this clear. Then this clear, simply by the name, it means you want to clear what you have on a sheet. So selecting an item, click on it and click on clear and it will automatically disappear. So for the paste special, before I make the use of paste special, then I want to add some function here. I want to bold this, okay, and then let's say I will put it in center. Yeah. So with this, I can work with the paste special function. Clicking on it, paste special. So this is giving you more options of different ways to paste your items. I want to copy this, for instance. So if I want to copy, it means if I paste this, it means I have exactly what I have here. But sometimes when you are dealing with some important things and you may only need the items here, you don't need exactly how it is bold, you just need it raw. So what you do here is to paste special. To paste special, you have the option to paste values only, to paste the format only, to paste all except borders, to paste column width only, paste formula only, paste data validation, paste conditional formatting only, and paste transpose. So with this paste value only, this will only paste what we have here without the formatting. Remember, this was how it was before I changed it to bold and before I changed it to center. So the option for paste values only will only paste the values without the formatting. Then the next one is to paste the format only. This will put this format, the format of bold, the format of the words to be aligned in centers will be pasted here, but the values are not here. So what this means is that by the time I type anything here, it will automatically be bold and will be written in center. So that is paste format only. Then let's check the other one we have. We have paste all except borders. So when I paste, do we have any border here? So this means let's say I have some kind of border here. So this line I put around this, let me copy this and then let me paste all except borders. So it means I paste all the items that are here, including the format, including the value, but except the borders. That is what it just does. Let me illustrate that again. Paste all except borders, and that is how it works. Then the next one here is paste column width only. As the name implies, the column, the width, the column HI, the way their width are. So if this is the width you want to copy and paste, so that is how it works. So as their name implies, paste formula only. The next one, paste formula only, is when you are working with formula. Let's say I have equals, let's say 3 times 2 should give us 6. So I have this 6 here. So if I am to copy this and I want to paste here, paste special, and then if I paste formula only, then it will give me the same formula I wrote here. And then another thing we have here is paste data validation. This is when you have data validation on your sheet. And the next one is paste conditional formatting. That is when you have conditional formatting on your work. And then paste transposed, and that is when you have transpose on your sheet. So all the last three are advanced level of formatting or working with sheet. So as we go on, as we go deep in the session, we'll surely talk more about all this. See you next time.